Chapter 3 Advanced Editing Features of Word 2016. In addition to changing the font size, or font color, you can also apply various other effects on the text in your document. The options present on the Insert and Layout tab help you edit your document at an advanced level. Applying subscript and superscript. Subscript and superscript refer to the text that is positioned slightly lower or higher than the text on the line, respectively. To change the text into subscript or superscript, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text that you want to show as subscript or superscript. Step 2. Click the subscript button in the font group on the Home tab, or click the superscript button in the font group on the Home tab. Inserting header and footer. The header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin, while the footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. To insert header or footer in a document, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the header button or the footer button in the header and footer group. A drop-down box with different header and footer styles appears. Step 3. Select the header style of your choice from the gallery. The cursor is placed in the header section of the document, or select the footer style of your choice from the gallery. The cursor is placed in the footer section of the document. The Design tab also appears on the ribbon. Step 4. Type the text you want to add as the header or as the footer. Step 5. Once you have typed the desired text in the header or footer area, click the Close Header and Footer button in the Close group on the Design tab, or simply press the Escape key on the keyboard. Inserting page numbers. To insert page numbers in a document, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Page Number button in the header and footer group. A drop-down list appears. This list has various options where you can add the page numbers, for example, bottom of page. Step 3. Place the pointer on the desired option and select the alignment of the page number from the submenu that appears. The page number appears at the specified location in the chosen style. Step 4. Click the Close Header and Footer button in the Close group on the Design tab, or press the Escape key on the keyboard. Setting page margins. A page margin is the blank space between the edge of the page from all sides and the text. There are 4 margins on a page: top, bottom, left and right. To set the page margins, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Layout tab. Step 2. Click the Margins button in the Page Setup group. A drop-down box will appear with margin options such as normal, narrow, wide, etc. Step 3. Select the desired margin settings from the list. The margins will be set on all the pages of your document. Setting page orientation. Orientation refers to the direction in which a page is oriented. It can be portrait or landscape. By default, the pages in a Word document are in portrait orientation. To change the orientation of a page, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Layout tab. Step 2. Click the Orientation button in the Page Setup group. A drop-down list appears in the 2 options. Step 3. Select the desired option from the list. The page orientation will be changed. Inserting a manual page break. While creating a document, as soon as you reach the end of a page, a new page is started. You can also add a manual page break anytime in your document. To insert a manual page break, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the cursor after the line or the paragraph where you want to add a page break. Step 2. Click the Insert tab and then click the Page Break button in the Pages group. The manual page break appears. Inserting columns. You must have seen that the text insert in documents such as newspapers, magazines or newsletters is often written in documents. Columns increase the readability of a document because long lines of text can be hard to read, so doing multiple columns breaks the lines up to something more optimal. Microsoft Word also allows you to apply column formatting to the text in a document. You can create a maximum of 13 columns in a document. To insert a column to your document, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to format in columns and click the Layout tab. Step 2. Click the Columns button in the Page Setup group. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Select the option you want from the list. The selected text gets divided into specified number of columns. Indenting text. An indent determines the distance of the text from the margins of the page of a document. It is mainly used to draw the reader's attention. You can either move a complete paragraph or only the first line of the paragraph. The easiest way to insert or remove an indent is by using the indent markers on the horizontal ruler. There are the following types of indent. Left indent. It is used to change the indentation from the left margin. Click in the paragraph which you want to indent from the left side and drag the indent marker on the ruler. First line indent. It is used to change the indent of the first line of the desired paragraph. Click in the paragraph of which first line you want to indent and drag the first line indent marker on the ruler. Hanging indent. A hanging indent is an indentation of the second and subsequent lines of text on a page. This indent option can be used to indent resumes, glossary items, bulleted lists, and numbered lists. Click in the paragraph you want to indent and drag the hanging indent marker on the ruler. Right indent. It is used to change the indentation from the right margin. Click in the paragraph you want to indent and drag the right indent marker on the horizontal ruler. Quick recap. The options present on the Insert and Layout tab help you edit your document at an advanced level. Subscript is the text positioned slightly lower than the text, and superscript is the text positioned slightly above the text. The header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin. The footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. You can add page number on the document using the Insert tab. A page margin is the blank space between the edge of the page from all sides and the text. Orientation refers to the direction in which a page is printed. You can change the orientation and size of the page using the Page Setup group on the Page Layout tab. Microsoft Word also allows you to apply column formatting to the text in a document. You can create a maximum of 13 columns in a document.